My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTubes are short, they're quick, they're informational, so let me get started. My topic today is pennies on a dollar, or the offer and compromise program. Is pennies on a dollar possible? This is probably one of the best advertising campaigns in the United States. Everybody thinks that they can settle their debt for pennies on a dollar. While pennies on a dollar is true, last year about 18,000 people qualified for pennies on a dollar. IRS usually gets about, let's say, about 70,000 offers in compromise. They accept somewhere in the average of 16 to 20% of those, and the average settlement is about $16,000. But the actual truth is, you must qualify, and a lot of people take your money saying that they can get a settlement for you, and the reality is that they really can't. Let me just tell you two criteria to help you make your decision. IRS wants the total liquidity of all your assets to settle your debt, if they're going to settle your debt. So if you have a house that has about $100,000 equity, a car that has 10, a little pension plan, IRS is going to look at the sum total of what those assets are, and they're not going to settle for less. They will have a federal tax lien on that. They can seize those assets. So IRS is not going to settle for less than your liquidity. You have to know that. That's the cardinal rule. I get a lot of calls. People have equity in their homes hoping to settle their debt, and IRS just isn't going to do it. The other thing they're going to look at is your income to expense ratio. IRS has a standard of expenses they allow you to live on depending on the counties that you live in, and there's a formula that IRS uses. They list the expenses they allow, where you live, and that's it. And if you have any money left over at the end of that, they're going to multiply that by how many years you have left on your statute, and they pretty much add the two together. So they're going to be looking at your value of your assets, what the liquid value is, and how much income you make and what your expenses are. So before you go ahead running out thinking I can settle this debt, make sure you call a professional, and definitely don't write a check out. Never write a check out until you've walked through the program with a true professional who can guide you whether and when the best time to file an offer and compromise is. Thank you.